In this video we are going to discuss about first fix, second fix and final fix in MEP. Please don't forget to subscribe the HVAC for Life channel for HVAC related contents. Let's go to the video. Mechanical system. First fix, mechanical. The following things are the carried out and completed in first fix. Installation of main duct work. Positioning of equipment like AHU, FCU, chiller. Connection with power and control system. Installation of duct insulation and fire protection measures for the duct work. Second fix, mechanical. The following things are the carried out and completed in second fix. Mounting and connecting diffuser, grills and registers to the duct work. Installation of thermostat, control panel and HVAC control systems. Fixing of exhaust fans, HVAC dampers, and other mechanical components necessary for proper air circulation and conditioning. Third fix, mechanical. The third fix stage for the mechanical system involves the finishing touches and functional testing. It includes conducting tests and balancing procedures to ensure proper air distribution, temperature control, and system performance. Additionally, it may involve installing decorative or protective elements, such as vent covers or access panels, and finalizing any remaining adjustments or modifications to the mechanical system. Electrical system. First fix, electrical. During the first fix stage for the electrical system, the main focus is on rough-in work and the installation of the electrical infrastructure. This includes running electrical cables, positioning junction boxes and electrical panels, and installing conduit for wire protection. It may also involve installing earthling and grounding systems, as well as any necessary conduits for low voltage wiring, example, data or telecommunications. Second fix, electrical. In the second fix stage for the electrical system, the emphasis is on connecting electrical fixtures, outlets, and switches. This includes installing light fixtures, power outlets, dimmer switches, and other electrical devices. It also involves connecting these fixtures to the existing electrical wiring and finalizing the electrical circuitry for each room or area. Third fix, electrical. The third fix stage for the electrical system involves the final touches and testing. It includes installing faceplates and trim for switches and outlets, ensuring proper grounding and bonding, and conducting tests to verify the functioning of all electrical components. Additionally, it may involve installing any remaining electrical accessories, such as emergency lighting, smoke detectors, or audiovisual equipment. Plumbing system. First fix, plumbing. During the first fix stage for the plumbing system, this includes laying out and connecting the main water supply lines, drainage pipes, and venting systems. It may involve positioning water heaters, pumps, and other plumbing equipment, as well as installing fixtures like sinks, toilets, and showers. Second fix, plumbing. In the second fix stage for the plumbing system, the emphasis is on installing the visible plumbing fixtures and fittings. This includes connecting faucets, taps, shower heads, toilets, and other fixtures to the water supply lines. It also involves installing traps, waste pipes, and connecting the fixtures to the drainage system. Third fix, plumbing. The third fix stage for the plumbing system involves the finishing details and testing. It includes installing trim, such as decorative faucet handles or drain covers. Fire protection fix. First fix, fire protection. During the first fix stage for fire protection, this includes installing fire alarms, smoke detectors, and fire suppression systems, such as sprinklers or fire extinguishers. It may also involve positioning fire-rated doors, fire dampers, and fire-resistant walls or partitions. Second fix, fire protection. In the second fix stage for fire protection, the focus is on connecting and integrating fire protection devices and systems. This includes wiring and connecting fire alarms and smoke detectors to the central control panel or fire alarm system. It may involve connecting sprinkler heads to the water supply and ensuring proper functioning and coverage. Additionally, it may involve testing and commissioning the fire protection system to ensure it operates effectively in case of emergencies. Third fix, fire protection. The third fix stage for fire protection involves the final checks and adjustments. This includes conducting tests and inspections to ensure that all fire protection systems and devices are in proper working order. It may involve making necessary adjustments, performing maintenance tasks, and ensuring compliance with fire safety regulations and standards. It also involves conducting tests for leaks, ensuring proper water flow and drainage, and verifying the functionality of all. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the HVAC for Life channel and share with your HVAC community. Please comment if you want any video related to HVAC content. I will try to make. Bye friends. See you on another video.